right. So right now it is let me see the time. It is 7:23. The bus is supposed to leave at 8. So we're early. So right now those of mommy are going to do some of bed. See, I have sleep in my eyes. Look at all this sleep. But then I'll sleep in the bus because it's a long journey. I think 5 to 6 hours or 7 hours. Then after that's it. But for now I'm here sitting with our luggage waiting for the parking to start. It's about to start in 7 minutes. They say that the arrival time is 7:30. Such that the 7:30, that is time to park. Time to park if you have big luggage, parking it in the boot and all those juicy things. And all those juicy things. So yeah. Let me show you my outfit. Yellow. I'll show you a full outfit when I get the chance. I just this and I just put it to protect my hair. And I'll tie it well after. Tie it well for now. Let me just be waiting as we wait for the bus to start allowing people in. So see you later. Bye. Hey guys, so we have entered. We're in the bus. In the bus. Out. We're still in the. So yeah, we have not yet set off, but we have entered, and right now it is 2 minutes past 8. So in a few minutes we're going to set off. We're going to set off and you're going to come along with me. You're going to see all what we're going to see. Anything nice we will show you, okay? So come along with us and be sure to subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, to this extent, like this video, share it out to your friends and family, and let's enjoy the beauty of Uganda. See you guys. Here we are going. So in one day, say hi, say something to my people. Tell them subscribe, like, share, comment. Yes. So let me just show you outside. We shall talk as we go on. Right now I'm hungry, but you know you're in the bus, you cannot just be eating, drinking. Susu will catch you, then you start sweating everywhere. So we shall eat when we go inside, outside. So let me show you the road and enjoy Uganda, part of Africa.
You're the one I want to hold before my liver start to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cause I will start to hate. And if I ever leave, oh, make what I got in me to go far away. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get the dollar, she did with the sun. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby lifetime assurance. Give me assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby lifetime assurance. Say biggie, heavy. Baby, you want me? No.
The spirit of Christmas. Check how everyone is fruits. You see, all the things are fresh from the gardens. Like, come visit Uganda and experience some fresh fresh food. Are you seeing that? So there's a bit of jam. Yeah, we're right now we're on Wanzegea. Those are footballers, Uganda Cranes. Yeah, these are the suburbs of Wanzegea, Kampala suburb. So as you can see, the speed is increasing. Yeah, you see all these people just shopping for tomorrow. Indeed, woo, 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 woo. Indeed, Christ is born. I hope as we enter, that one goes to Boyogere home, but we're not going to Boyos, we're going to Arua. There, you can see. That's sorry, I'm not in front, so you really can't see the view. If I was sitting near the driver, woo, you're going to see such an amazing view. But yeah. Ooh, we're going to this side. Bombo Road. We are going via Bombo Road. So you can see. Hope you're enjoying the view.
Oh, love is sweet, oh. When money enter, love is sweet. Paparazzi, oh, yeah. So brother man go got the liver. Call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away. Far away, yeah. Say I am looking for a sister. Chuma, my lover. She enter Atlanta. She go cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister.
When you're traveling, you should always eat. Now you see.
Show my lover. Yeah, yeah. She say, give me assurance. Assurance. I give my baby assurance. I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance. Assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby assurance. Yeah, yeah. Oh, sport check, yeah. Music for the garden.
takes to Gulu.
For 52 kilometers to Pakwach.
But yeah, they just the one Farua 52 kilometers to Pakwach. So sleeping. Hey there. Yo. Bridge. Oh, it is there. The bridge is there on the other side. I don't know if you can see well. Sorry, my people. Here we're trying to trap animals, but they are not there.
From my primary, from my own from primary.
Longest can see people are fishing. It's all the longest. This one is not like the first one which was boiling. This one is so calm. Yeah, hey, we are entering 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! We are the bridge, the longest. Yeah, and a bridge. Woohoo!
The place where Angara is found.
Angara, we're going to see some fish. We're going to buy some fish. Nang nang.